in my new Seville. My tribe went down in the Hall of Fame, cause I'm the one who shot Jesse James. Pound for pound, I will never break down. Big bang. No sir, I don't mess around. Oh!
Like Kiyosabe, of course it's me, better known as the Master G. I'm fucking in squad since the danger, when it stung about the rapping ranger. Had a little talk with my medicine man, he said get them squads fast as you can. To all you girls that wanna join my tribe, just move to my rhythm and feel my vibe. Put up a fuss, in the end you'll agree, but when you come inside my TV, as I said before, you can sense the danger when you're stung about the rapping ranger. With Silver and I take a ride, all you chicks better step aside. I stay in the squalls, then run away. Ho! Silver is what I'll say. Ho!
Now maybe did I mean to treat you bad, but I did it anyway. And then maybe some would say your life was sad, but you lived it anyway. And so maybe your friends that stand around you watch you crumble as you fall down to the ground. And then someday your friends that stand beside as you were flying, oh, you were flying oh so high. But then someday people look at you